Oh, got another one. Got another something. Another something. Another something. What is it, baby? River was high, river was flooded, river was chocolate milk. I went bass fishing from the bank, ended up catching catfish and a crappie. Personal best catfish. I'm not a cat fisherman, but this thing was caught on a blade bait, and I don't know how to handle catfish that I can't grab like by their belly by my hand. As you can tell, this thing bit my thumb up pretty good. That was a surprise, but I'm learning and I'll figure it out. But let me know what you think. I had fun, pulled in some good fish, snagged a couple, but it's up to you. You count them or not. I'm gonna count them just because if not, I would only have one fish today. So do what you want with it. Had a fight with a big fish, didn't win, didn't snap my line. I think I side hooked it. I fought with it for about 7-8 minutes. It was a pretty cool fight, really. It felt like 7 or 8 minutes. We'll find out when the video comes out, but got a big scale off of it, about that big. Got away, but had fun. Hey, check out the catches. Let me know what you think in the comments, and enjoy. Oh, fish on, baby. Fish on. Yeah. Got one. Good one. Let's get him. Get him over here. Ooh, it's a good sized one. All right, don't be quick to get him in now. Man, I think it's coming loose. Come on. You got him. Bring him over here. Oh, he's running. I don't think it's a bass. I think it's a carp, honestly. He's running with it. Yeah, I think it's a carp. I don't think it's a bass. Nope. Oh, it was a cat. Snagged a cat. You guys see that? Snagged a cat. Looked like by the tail. Oh man, I guess it was snagged. Oh, I got him in pretty close. He got off right at the shore. I saw his tail. I don't know if it was hooked on his tail or if I just saw his tail. Kind of looked like it was hooked on his tail. And maybe I just grabbed him and didn't actually catch him, but man, that was close. Dang. It's a bad feeling. Oh, got one. Fish on, baby. Oh, side swiped a crappie. I mean, I'm gonna count it, right? We swiped it. We're gonna count it. Come on. Let's get it out of the side of his stuff here. But it's not a bad little crappie. I'll take him. Oh, fish on, baby. Fish on. Tell me it ain't a snag. Tell me it's a real fish. Tell me it's a real fish, baby. Fighting like a real fish. Tell me it's an actual catch. Tell me it's an actual catch. Come on. It is not an actual catch, but we snagged our first catfish of the year. All right, let's take it. We'll count it. Okay. All right. All right. So we snagged him. But, I mean, with our luck today, we're going to count it. At least we brought one in. Little channel cat. Pretty colors. Not the glorious bass release, but here goes the catfish. There he goes. Ah, holes in the water. All right, well, at least it's warming up to where the cats are moving around. It's the first time I snagged one all year. First time I even saw catching one all year, so we'll count it. Oh, got another one. Got another something. Another something. Another something. What is it, baby? It's another catfish. It's another catfish. It's another catfish. He's doing somersaults, boys. He's doing somersaults. Oh, this is a real catch. This is a real catch. Okay, all right, all right. All right. All right, let's get you up here. Get you up here. Oh, look at that, baby. I don't actually know how to grab those catfish. Oh, we got a cat. That's a nice one. And look at that. We're gonna count it because he grabbed it on the blade bait. Look at that. Ooh, nice one. We're actually gonna measure this guy because I don't. Guess you learn that, don't you? All right, so this guy got on the ground all crazy everywhere, but 26 almost inches channel cat on that blade bait. You can tell I'm not a catfish. I mean, grabbed it by the mouth barehanded and it got me. Got a pretty hard bite, so got some pliers and grabbed him. I got some gear to pick him up, but just didn't have it with me, and sort of too big for my hands, so that's what happened. So let's let him go. All right, buddy, there you go. Come on, hit reverse. There we go. There we go, baby. There you go, buddy. All right, there he goes. Oh, got another one. Another one, baby. Oh, he's running with it. You think we hooked it? You think we hooked him? You think we snagged him, or you think we actually got him this time? All right, he's fighting. He's fighting. Where's he at? Turn my drag up so I can even reel him in. All right. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. I just want to get you out, buddy. I'll put you back. All right. All right. All right. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wrong way. Come this way. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. All right. All right. I know. I know. I know. But we're gonna. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come this way. There you go. This way. Come on. Don't get off. Come on. Ah, it keeps taking it. Whoa, there he goes. There he's going. Oh, he's mad. Oh, he's definitely mad. All right. Now don't run all the way out there now. Nope, come on. Oh. Dude, he's going away. I've only got 12-pound test on here. This is 17-pound. I'm afraid to set it all the way because I don't want him to snap the line. But also, oh man, he's going down river. I'm not going to win this fight if I turn my drag up. He's just going to snap my line. I don't know. He's on, dude. He's on there. Look at that. He's on there, but he's taking. He's not coming this way. 12-pound test. I don't want to turn my drag all the way up. Lost a lot of ground right there for sure. I don't know what that is. That might be like a hybrid or something. Seems like he's got a good stop the fight for the second. Come on, baby. Don't take off again. Come on. We're almost there. Come on. Come on. Come on. You gotta be close. Come on, you're close. All right, Lord, let me get this fish in. How far out are you? You're still pretty good ways. Come on. All right. Man, we lost so much ground when he took off that last time. All right, he's coming. Don't run. Don't run again. Don't run again. Don't run again. Don't run again. Come on. Come on, baby. We got this. Come on in. Oh, and he's gone. And he's gone. Gone. Gone, gone, gone. Look at that. But you know what? You know what's sad? I think that whole time, through that whole time, I had him snagged. That's what I caught. I don't even think it was in his mouth. Oh. Look at that. Probably snagged a carp, I'm guessing. Dang. That would have been a good pull in if it would have got him in the mouth. I thought maybe it was a hybrid or something, but just a snag. Dang. Thanks for watching. Go out there, have fun. Go catch some fish. Let me know what you're doing. It's getting ready to be springtime here at the recording of this video, and having a lot of fun. Plan on getting out in the kayak more, getting some largemouth bass, some smallmouth bass, and I want to do some catfishing. I really do. I want to get the rigs and set it up and pull in some big ones. So that's my plan, and yeah, I hope to accomplish it. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me to see what happens. Go out there, have fun fishing, and I'll catch you all later.